We're back, fellow knife enthusiasts. Today we'll be talking about the Zero Tolerance from KAI, the 0308 Flipper in Coyote Brown with G10 handles. I really like this knife a lot, and I'm going to tell you why. We'll start off with a basic. It snaps to attention. Are you ready? Can't beat that. I've been playing with that all day. We'll give it to you one more time. I'll do it real light. Wow. Amazing. This knife is the latest from Zero Tolerance. It's very similar to the 350s models that were made about 7 or 8 years ago. Still sold today. It is 8.9 or 8.875 inch overall. The blade length is 3.75 inch. It is a stonewash blade with a flat grind, a drop point style blade, and a plain edge. What I really like about this knife will be very difficult, let me make sure I have it, to show you because it's on the inside of the knife, but we'll try. There are 3 barrel spacers lined up right here on the frame itself. And that is what connects this knife, the scales on each side. There is nothing at the bottom. And there's nothing, of course, on the other side. Really like that part. Of course, now the pivot connects the knife also. It has a reversible pocket clip for tip-up carry. It is a Framelock, which I like also. The blade steel is CPM 20CV, 20CV. The handle is very wide at 1.3 inches. Give you a little closer look at it here, especially the back side. Of course, being that it's a CT, it's going to be extremely sharp. Go ahead and grab something here to cut with as we talk more about it. The handle length is 5.25 inches overall. A little bit of fraying there. Let's try that one more time. As you can see, it cuts very smoothly. It is considered a manual flipper. The weight is a beefy 7 ounces. It has a titanium frame and liner for the front part. Of course, it has a plain edge. And it's model number 0308, made in the USA. Let's grab some more cutting material here. So this is obviously going to be a very popular ZT knife, just like the 350. You can see there, if I would have held it all the way down, it would have cut all the way through. There is a little bit of jimping on the top of the knife here on the blade, if you can see that. Has a nice shape to the blade. I like the pivot on this knife a lot. Has a nice pivot cap. Go ahead and show you some more here. You can tell it slices right through the cardboard as you would expect it to. Very easy to maintain where you're cutting with the knife. Alright, so this is the Zero Tolerance 0308. New offering from, of course, KAI. Very comfortable knife to hold. For those of you that are watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We do giveaways, tons of knife picks during the week. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You will not be disappointed. On that note, Zero Tolerance 0308, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.